Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Create Love Laugh if you did not know. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and comment and like and all that jazz. Today we're going to be tie-dyeing a hoodie. There's not really a lot of materials for this video. You just need a hoodie or a shirt or whatever you want to dye and a tie-dye kit. But if you don't want to get a tie-dye kit, you can just buy some dye and then rubber bands and all that jazz. But I will leave the two things that I got in the description so you can get it if you'd like. So the first step is to take out the string out of your hoodie and then figure out how to band it all together. So I just kind of did like a bullet, like a target kind of pattern. So I started with the center of the chest and started rubber banding it. I don't know what else to call it. Once you have your shirt or hoodie or whatever look like some kind of deranged lobster, it is time to tie-dye it. So I'm just kind of putting pretty much every color that I had left over of in here. One thing to note is that I did buy this tie-dye set a while ago and then opened it but didn't use everything. But it is going to be pretty pale once it's all washed out. So then cover it up with some plastic and follow the directions for the tie-dye. Then after a couple of days or whatever the time it recommends, rinse it out. I found it really useful to just dump it in my shower and rinse all of the dye out. So satisfying. And then take out all of the rubber bands and follow the tie-dye instructions for washing it and all that jazz. And there it is when it's all washed and dried. So if you like this video, please check out my other channels and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!